Hello my friends, welcome back to Vivo. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install iOS lock screen in your Android device. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. Okay my friends, if you just want to install iOS lock screen to your Android device, you have to open the Play Store of your Android device. Then you have to search for this application and then you just have to open it. Once it's open, then you're going to choose that language you just want to use here on this application. So I'm just going to do it with English. Then I'm just going to click on next. So click on next again, and then you're going to start it. So by click on this option. So let's get started. We have some instruction to turn on all these options enabled here on our Android device to get all the accessibility of the application on our Android device. So we're gonna just enable them one by one here on our Android device. So let me do it. So we're gonna click on allow, and this one also just click on allow. Other one also. And the last one will be done like this. So we're gonna exit from this setup, and our applications ready to set any iPhone or iOS screen lock in our Android device. So you can choose from this list. For example, I just love this one, I'm going to use it. So let's go ahead to do this. So go click on download. So you can see this is now iOS lock screen. Just got here on my Android device, and then go click on install, and you can just edit it like iPhone. And once it's done, you can see when I just lock my Android device, I just got iOS lock screen like this, and this is super cool. Even I can just customize it. So this is all about how to install iOS lock screen to your Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like my video, and see you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.